Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Mark and Brett from TentandTable.com. Here we are out in the warehouse. Weather's getting warm. It's hitting 50 degrees in Buffalo today. When that happens, I expect these shelves to start getting empty and stuff move out the door.
Look at how full these shelves are. I mean, aisles and aisles and aisles you'll see full of our inventory. We want you to know we're in stock with all the essential products you would need to run your business, to have your events, and we've worked really hard to do this. We've got some great deals going and some great prices, so contact your reps regarding this. We'd like to show you a few other items we have. Mark, why don't you take it over?
Sure, and you know, I just want to say that one of the biggest things I've heard this year is, when's the stuff going to come in? What's the supply chain doing? Are you going to have product?
Look at these aisles. Look at them.
We worked very hard to get our product in stock and ready to ship. You know,
over
I'll tell
10,000
you,
inflatables in stock.
You
Over
know,
1,000 tents in stock.
Last year, years past, the ARA show was in February, and you would expect to get your stuff by April, okay? Get it now. Don't wait till April or May, because one thing we've heard from everybody is business is brisk, rentals are backing up. I was reading somebody's post today how they're already booked out through July and August on some of their products. If that's the case, it's time to start adding more inventory.
Mark,
Pick up a couple of units.
What about the golf course we talked to yesterday? A famous golf course has all their time slots for events booked out through next year. So if you wanted to do an event at this golf club, this country club, not available. No availability in 2022, and they're booked through the first 2 quarters of 2023. Another person was telling me that they were going to a wedding. They were trying to book a hotel in September after Labor Day. Nothing available in that town. So there's a lot of business out there to be had. Make sure you have your inventory in stock now so you can promote it on your websites, promote it to your customers, let your employees and sales staff know with confidence they can take those reservations and make those rental bookings now and get those deposits, because you'll be in stock and you'll have the items. Don't wait for promises that this is going to ship and it doesn't ship. I'm sure all of you had this problem last year. What else you have to show us, Mark?
Well, I'll tell you too. You know, one thing that makes us unique is we are a one-stop shop, okay? I can be as competitively priced on dunk tanks as I can be on tents, tables, chairs, okay? So the nice thing is, you know, when you're shopping for your rental business, you know, some people might be ordering a dunk tank from one place, they're getting their tables and chairs somewhere else, then they're going to a tent company, and then they're going to an inflatable. You're spending 5 times the freight shipping from 5 different people.
And you have the risk,
shopping.
right, Mark? You have the risk. The stuff's going to get lost. The stuff's going to get damaged. I'm sure you guys have all experienced this. Unbelievably ridiculous freight rates, lost goods, damaged goods. So bundle it all with your sales rep here at Tent and Table. They'll take good care of you. They'll put together an awesome package deal for you. It'll ship in one truck right out to your facility. And also, what else do we have going on, Mark? Isn't your buddy Harry doing something this month for us?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, financing.
What is it, 0%?
0% for 12 months.
0%,
and, you know,
guys. Who's doing 0%? I know you hear that on some cars, but has anybody tried to buy a new car lately? Or a used car? The prices are ridiculous, right? And you got to wait for it. And maybe they'll give you 0% financing, but you're going to get it in probably 2023. Yeah. But we're doing 0%.
0% for 12 months. And I'll tell you, I see a lot of people that are talking about, oh my God, leases scare me. The rates are ridiculous. This is nuts, so on and so forth. Look it. That 0%, there is a certain amount you got to spend. I'm paying the points on that.
Paying for it. Good old Mark.
Okay?
Uncle Mark.
I mean, that subsidy is being paid for me, so I'm paying your interest for the first year. And what have we done in our business? Because we have a rental business as well, and we're getting equipment and this and that. 12 months. Guess what? At the end of 12 months, I've paid it off. Okay,
yeah,
it's done.
So
you know, there's no interest, and I'm the one that just paid for the points on it. So it's a great thing to take advantage of, and that, you know, and don't confuse it with a high interest credit card or one of these slick leasing companies out there that's charging you a ridiculous rate. If you got good credit, it's free money for a year.
Mark, do you know how much you have to spend to get that?
It's $20,000. Okay. Which again, what's
that's 20? A drop in the bucket.
It's a drop in the bucket.
Listen,
I want one dunk tank. I want a couple of water slides, a couple of high peak tents, some tables and chairs. That $20,000 is going to make you $200,000 in just a few months. Pay for it, and it's done.
I mean, think about it, guys and girls. 10 rentals, and your average purchase is paid for. So we'll do some return on investment classes, watch some of our videos, read some of our blogs, call our sales reps. They'll take care of you. Anything else, Mark?
Yes. Ask the sales reps about the new rental-lite units. I know I discussed those a week or so ago. It's gonna be 50 today. Hopefully by next week, we're gonna do a couple of units set up side by side. We're gonna take a commercial bounce house, a rental-lite bounce house for next week's live, weather permitting, and we'll walk around it and we'll show the differences between them, and we'll prove to you that although it's rental-lite, doesn't make it a less than commercial unit for a lot of the rental operators.
And it's a great customer pickup item. So if you're a brick and mortar shop and you don't have enough staff, like many of us don't have right now, people don't want to come back to work, you've got this situation where you can tell your homeowner customer, come in with your minivan or your SUV, we'll throw it in the back of your car or your trunk, take it home, use it for the weekend, and bring it back. It's a great return on investment, and we've got an amazing deal on that. We've got a trio package, right?
We have a trio package, yep.
But we should go. It's been long. We love you guys, and we hope you come out and see us. Call your, you can come here to Buffalo, New York and meet us, or you can get online and order something, or call your sales reps, please. Sales not going to last forever. Nope. The inventory won't last forever. It's really flying off the shelves. We want you to get your fair share of what you need so you can have a great season.
Hey,
so
Brett,
thank you all.
How big is this warehouse, would you say?
Not big enough. No, you know the crazy thing is? It's a 100,000 square foot warehouse. We had to bring in 20 40-foot shipping containers last week to put stuff into, okay? And I think I have another, what did I buy, 15 tractor trailer bodies, okay? Because, you know,
we need extra space.
We need extra space, but we want to be in stock. I don't want people to have to go through the pain of waiting for their product like they did over the past couple of years. And we know it because we're a rental company as well. We own some hardware stores as well. You know, whether it's a gas grill or a Rubbermaid garbage can, okay, the shelves are empty on certain things from a supply and demand basis. So we tried to get ahead of it, get it in stock, and, you know, we want to get it out to you. So, you know, the sky's the limit. Give us a call, get your stuff in for the season, and we'll see you next week.
Take care, everyone. Thank you.